Hey, hi guys, it's Katie's Makeup guys, and today I'm not doing any eye look or eyeshadow look, and today I'm gonna review this color wood palette, and if this looks like very pretty inside out, and it's I don't know how much for how much I bought it, maybe it's like 1100 or 1200 something, I don't know, but this is really a pretty palette for anyone who wants to experiment with colors and everything, and I'm gonna reviewing it. So if you have seen a lot of videos on this palette, then okay, don't see it, I'm just not forcing you to see this video, but if you want to buy it, if you are making mind to buy this palette, then watch this video. It's going to be really helpful for you. Then watch this video. This is completely uncensored video. I bought this and that's why I'm reviewing it. It's not like that I got it like PR or something, because I don't have that much subscribers to get it like that. So I was like that, okay, if you want to watch this video, then let's get started. Hey, hi guys, it's Kriti and it's Katie's Makeup, and I know that I did the bridal makeup and after that I have not done any sort of makeup, because I was just like wondering that I should have a camera or something like that, and then my all face got like so, like it's like in the weather spell of summer, and I just I don't want to say that, but summer is the weather, and I just hate summer because I got like these pimples everywhere on my face, and well, it's not a problem of the season actually. I would say, because probably we got the winter, and then we got all the cyclones of the world, and then we got monsoon. So we just have never gotten the summer actually in between. So even in March, and even in March, April, May, like the seasons, the real month of summer, they were like not there any, they were like चिपचिपी गर्मी type of thing, जो कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, and that make the skin like so irritating, like it's like so much moisture in the air, which is like it's a very Mumbai kind of weather, like if you are near to sea or near to some river or kind of like that, where the air is very much content the water, so it like air is very moisturized, very hydrating at these places, but where to normal to dry to very oily skin, I was like doing good skincare in the winters, and this is the uh, the really nice what can I say, consequence I am like getting. This is nice good fruits that I am getting, that I'm using the Hydro Boost moisturizer, and I was like feeling really well that okay, my skin is like really healthy, and it is like losing acne scar. But ever since I started these videos, I used to feel that, oh my god, I just feel so much breakouts, like so much breakout. I'm doing everything, I'm using face packs, I'm using multani mitti, I'm using a pink clay mask, everything, bleach and everything, but these marks, the acne is not the big problem, but these marks are not going. So today I just felt that okay, whatever, however my skin looks like, I'm gonna review a makeup a palette, and I'm gonna do that. Okay, so not to go further, we should let's get started. And yeah, so uh, now I should quickly do my face, and then I would review this really nice eyeshadow palette, which I always use in my videos, and but I never reviewed it because I never used it like that much, so I'm gonna use it today. So yeah. Alright guys, so I have done my face and everything, like my eyebrows and my face and the contouring and the bronzing and blushing and everything. So today today I'm very sick, and actually I don't have anything to do, so I thought I should make a video on Katie's makeup, and I made this video, and I'm gonna be reviewing this palette. This palette here. This is like the Beauty Glazed Meteor Match eyeshadow tray. Sorry, color wood. This is a color wood eyeshadow palette, and you guys have seen this me always. Re, I mean, always using this. I don't use it that much because I always be very subtle when I go for makeup and for my eyes, not subtle, but I don't have any chance to use all these popping colors, like I have not worn any purple color or lilac color or something like that. So more color, but I did created some really nice eye looks from this palette, and this palette retails for okay, this is made in China because this is beauty glazed palette, and it's not something. Okay, it has mica, diamonds like starch or something, calcium carbonate and silica. It has silica, guys, in it. I cannot see any parabens in it, which is like really bad for your skin or something like that. But I'm gonna tell you that the first row of this palette is color board palette is the green. You can have like, it's like मेरे से तो थोड़ा सा टूट गया है, अच्छा नहीं टूटा नहीं है. It's like a palette board type of thing, so it's gonna go like this and this and this. Same this type of beauty glazed book is also there, which some people have, some makeup artists on YouTube have or not have, I don't know. So this is gonna be, this is the palette gonna be reviewed by me, and this is completely an honest review. Okay, so we should try some swatches. This looks very chalky. This is very chalky, so I'm gonna how should I just do it here? I don't know, because this is like coming more in the camera. You can see the first color of this palette is this white kind of color, like eyeshadow base or something. And this is chalky, I guess. This is very powdery, but this has pigmentation. Okay, you can use it under your like over your concealer or whatever you have applied, eyeshadow base or something like that. You can see like I'm just doing it, so you can get like the perfect canvas for your eyeshadow and everything. You can use it like a highlighter also. This can be used as a powder also, like in under eyes, if you're baking and your foundation is cracking or something like that, you can use it. You can see this color. This is the first shade of this palette, and I should use some kind of normal eyeshadow, and then I start swatching it. Okay, Okay. So the second shade is very mehendi type color, you know. This is very henna type color. And it's here for you guys. You can see this is the first and foremost, the first uh, tray of this color board palette. Okay. This is like the henna type color. This is slightly chalky, but they give pigmentation, you know. They are pigmented, but I'm really building this up, and that's why the color is like showing. Yeah, so I have a wipe. So the third color in the row, we get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, five colored rows in all the, so 15 shades in one tray. Okay, in one tray of green and everything. So the third color is my favorite. It's the light green color. It's the turquoise, light turquoise, sea green color type of color. You can see this here. Okay, yeah. I'm sure camera is taking. Yeah. So this is the third color. You can completely build this colors and completely build. I think you can build it if you have the right brush, and if you um, try harder. So the fourth color is like pressed glitter, which looks something like this. It's very pretty olive sparkly color. You can put on all of it, you know. Yeah, but my finger is like completely impressed glitter. You can create any kind of look with this let me show you. With these colors, see, white is also popping up, like the off white, and then the henna color, and then the light green color, and then the pressed glitter. Yeah. The four shades you can see. It's like my hand is like so long from my body. It's look like I'm Ajgar or something like that. Seriously. Yeah. So these are the four colors. This is only first row, and the last color is like very dark green color. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is chalky. You know, this palette is like so hyped up on the internet. This is the fifth color, and this is also very dark sea green color, if you would ask me. So this is one row only. Okay. I really need it. Yeah. So now I'm just going for the next layer, and the first color of the layer is a satin glitter color type of color. Okay, I have taken more. Okay, so this is the color. This is the copper kind of color, you know. I don't know why these guys have this, given this rose gold color here. Let's see here all the colors. Okay, this is the color. This is very light pink. You can use it as it is, or as a highlighter if you are deep skin person, you know. You can use this like that. Now I'm going for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, seventh number of in the second row, second number. This is very shimmery satin type of color, but this looks like very henna type of color. Very henna type color. You can use it in your mehendi, sangeet, or something like that. If you are like wearing this type of jewelry or something like that, then you can really use it. Oh god, how should I bend my hair? Bend my arm, to, because I just I have no idea, because this is my first review video and 13 minutes already have happened. So yeah, I'm just gonna fast forward it. Okay, so we don't have to go through all the, this is very dark color. We don't have to go through all this actually, because there are some colors. You can see this two rows in the eyeshadow, and you can definitely see how pigmented and how like good these are. And I'm gonna take this pressed glitter, and I'm gonna tell you that the pressed glitter is so, I just, that I just have just, मैंने बहुत हल्के हाथ से लिया और उसको भी लगा दिया, तो भी कितना अच्छा प्रेस ग्लिटर है इसके अंदर. एंड देन ऑल द शेड्स आर लाइक ग्रीन. सो so the next tray is this, and this is red and coral and yellow plus kind of color. So one second. Okay guys, so we don't have a lot of time because of my mobile storage, my phone storage, and I did my eye makeup also with the help of this palette only. So I did my brows and I did the eyeliner and everything. So green has happened. एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मैं फटाफट से अपना आई मेकअप कर लेती हूँ और फिर मैं अपना रिव्यू जारी रखूँगी. सो द ग्रीन हैज़ गॉन एंड दिस वन हैज़ कम. ओके, so this the red one, look at the red one. The red one is also very beautiful, and these all work actually. This light shades are like really chalky of these Beauty Glaze palettes. Okay, so I have just like completed, so I should do this here. So you can see, you can use it like a powder, like a eyeshadow base, but you really have to build this up. So is it coming, or is it just like looking like my own skin, because my skin color is like very much like this. So I'm just like I'm building this up really, I'm telling you. So the next, you can see it or not, I don't know. So the next shade is orange, very light peachy orange. This is also very chalky and powdery, but the pigmentation is good guys. Okay, only in one finger you can see the pigmentation. If you really want something really light in peachy like a blush or something like, then you can use this type of color for blush and everything. Yeah, so the third one is glittery orange. This is very glittery, and this is very satin finish orange. You can see this is very glittery. Okay, the fourth color is the brick color. I would say brick, reddish orange color. These all colors are very corally. मुझे तो इन तीनों में ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क भी नहीं लग रहा. I'm telling you, very corally, but this is slightly dark. This is very light peach color. This is orange with some amount of glitter, satin finish completely, and this is very matte, and this is very orange, reddish orange, dark orange. If you have worn some kind of haldi, if you are going in haldi ceremonies or something like that. If we don't have much time, so the last amount of the last pen we got it like the brick color, the brick matte color. This is a little brownish orangish color. You can see this. Okay, yeah. And the rest of, I'm gonna take this pressed glitter, that how good it is. Okay, so this is reddish orangish pan, type of board in this, I cannot see any. This is the color. I just swatch for it. You can see the lightest color, like eyeshadow base or something like that. And then the peach color, the light orange color, the dark orange color, the coral color, and the pressed glitter. I cannot see this is a very red uh, uh, kind of color scheme, but it is very warm tone and very orangish type of scheme, I would say. Okay guys, so I have taken off my band and ruler, and this is the blue pan, this is the blue scheme of the palette, and for that I'm gonna be swatching this blue color here, because this colors are like so pigmented. This is really light green. I don't know what the green is doing in this blue pan, but whatever. This is a sea green color, turquoise color, you would say. This is very nice. And the third color should be uh, this very. This is like very. This has this still like a very sheen, very. Uh, this doesn't look like that. It looks matte, but it's very glittery color, I would say. It has the glitter particles in it, and then the pressed glitters. Okay, so these are the pressed glitters. I'm not taking the basic colors which is started like light brown and light coppery color or something like, which you can use as a color. But look at this color guys, this is like so beautiful. I was like कि मैंने कभी इसको यूज़ नहीं किया, so I was like शायद ये work नहीं करेगा. This is completely working. Okay guys, so this is the last color scheme of this palette. This is pink and lilac color. Pink and purples are there, so I'm gonna take this purple color. I'm gonna swatch for it. Okay, this is like a really light purple color. This is very matte. This is not satin finish. This is not glittery. This is chalky, and I cannot see that you guys can see it also. I'm just like rubbing my finger in this like so much. Can you see it? Like it's very light purple color, lilac color completely. It's definitely lilac color. If you want, guys, if you want it's not pigmented, but it's very lightly pigmented. It's like if you are wearing some kind of purple color, or if you want a very यहाँ पे तो मुझे दिख रहा है, but I don't know कैमरे पे कितना दिख रहा है. So now I'm gonna go little more mauvish color. This is very pigmented. In one swap I got like really nice color. It's like really the first one is like really pinkish purple color, and it's very light color, so you cannot just see it. Now the dark purple color, this is also very matte. This is like completely brinjal type of color. It's like a very bangan जैसा color होता है वैसा. It's very purple. Now I should swatch some glitter color. Now this is completely this second color which I did, like pink color, pink purple color, magenta color, you can say. Now this is very glittery satin finish color, I'm telling you. This is very bright color, I'm telling you. This is very. Now this is a pink color which into the scheme. This is very pink. This is like completely pink with no purple attached. These all four are like completely with purple, lilac colors, but this pink is like completely popping pink color. Okay, so now I should swatch a glitter color also. So this is a very lilac glitter color, which you can put in any of your um, what can I say, like looks, if you are doing something with purple color. There is a dark purple color also here. This is very satin finish. This is very dark purple color. If you want to use purple color, very dark purple color in your outer V, and light, you want to go light inside, like in your inner corner of your legs you want to go, like on your inner lid you want to go light, and in the outer view you want to go very darker, then you can use this one also. These are very pretty colors, and very very nice. This palette is like seriously good palette. I have not used it yet personally, but now after swatching and after reviewing this video, this color wood palette, I'm completely like into it, and I'm gonna use it. I know there is like hundreds and like so many countless numbers of reviews have been on this palette, because this is not a very uh, this is not a very new palette, it's a very old palette. Oh my god, I got like two separate vibes. And like completely, my this hand is like completely glitter. Okay guys, so this was my review on Color Beauty Blaze color. If you want to buy it, you should buy it, I guess. Every makeup artist and every person who is like who wants to experiment with colors or something like this, that person should buy this color. And the look I have created right now, which is like very subtle, this is also from this palette actually. I used this one and I used this one to make this uh, look. And you get the all the colors, but you get the contouring shades, and you get the highlighters also. I mean, it's like a complete package of for a beginner person, and this is like a really nice palette, I would say. I was like not thinking that it's gonna be like that good, that it's gonna be like really you can build these colors or something like that. The colors, the matte colors are really a little bit chalky, but you can use it. Okay, you can build it on your. I'm definitely gonna use these colors for the photo shoot or anything. Yeah, so whatever. Bye guys. I have not made this makeup video for like so long, so I thought I should make a video. Okay guys.